So, WeChat app how to use in 26. Hidden features must be missed completely. So if you're new to WeChat, there's a lot more to the app than sending message. Here are some useful features for beginners often overlooked. So the first is use the QR code scan. You can just click on the plus icon on the top right corner. You can click on scan. So access mini like there's you see you can scan right there. There you go, easy as that. And try mini programs. Just click on discovers, and then you can try like for example check on moments right there. Some moments, yeah, there's some moments right there. You see updates from your contacts. You can also post videos, interact with friends, so much more, and explore channels as well. And you can search your chats, guys. Just typing right here, just search your chat. So yeah, and send files to chats as well. You can use that and use WeChat Pay. It's right there. And cool thing is you can use WeChat on your computer as well. And always check your privacy settings. You can see that on me. And then click on settings. And then click on privacy. I set account security. There you go. So yeah, you can also check on your profile as well. But yeah, there you guys. The biggest tip: don't assume every WeChat feature is available to every users. Some function, particularly payment and certain service inside mini programs, can very depend on your country account and version of WeChat. But there you guys, have guys. If you if you have a question, please stop it. Our question below, guys. Up to as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.